chemistry is defined as the emotional or psychological interaction between two people, or simply that special emotion that two people feel when they have a special connection. It is not a connection that you can easily have, given that men and women are intrinsically different, physically, mentally, and emotionally. These differences cause a divide which gives ladies a hard time attracting and finding the one. Ladies, do you find yourself wondering why you are still single when you have what it takes to be in a relationship with someone? Do you ask yourself how to make your existing relationship last? Are you one of those ladies who look at their men and worry about being left behind? Whether you are single, dating, or in a relationship, it is normal to have these thoughts. They may be unwelcomed, but the truth is there comes a time that you are urged to carefully consider your future, and that includes evaluating yourself and your relationship. If you are still dating or already in a serious relationship, you can easily make the guy fall in love with you by just a text. Yes, you read that right. And that is what Amy North's ebook is all about. Basically making a man crazy about you by sending him text messages that are tailored to affect the psychology of a man. Amy North, being a women's relationship coach, had already studied about not just any words but research-based, scientifically proven words that makes the man feel compassion, empathy, and love towards you. And this ebook has already helped thousands of women across the globe in finding and keeping the man of their dreams. The book aims to give you the following benefits that you only need to confidently do, and you will be on your way to making the man that you wants to be with you. The good points. 1. Teaches ladies how to send messages effectively, as well as what messages to send, by using specific words to trigger man's psychology, and catches his attention in the process. You will learn how to send him messages that will leave him fantasizing about you, keeping the relationship filled with intensified excitement. 2. This does not only limit to getting his attention, it will also cause him to establish eye communication with you and makes you stay in his mind even when you are not around, and can even make the guy who left you regret it. Once you learn to send him the right text, he will only want to reconcile and get back with you. 3. It is like learning and understanding a man's mind that you can expect him to reply to your messages instantly. Gone are those times when you have to wait for days for a message that may or may not come. Finally, a bridge to gap the mental differences between sexes. 4. If you are one of those ladies who don't know what message to send, or just an impulsive texter who did not put much thought about the messages she is sending, Amy North is teaching you to avoid that mistake and gives you tricks to turn that mistake around and use it to your advantage, making him only want you more. 5. No more ignored messages. He will be rushing to reply to your messages and will only want to keep texting with you. 6. Get rid of other women that can rob you his full attention. With this ebook, you will know how to recognize and appreciate your man, that you will be the only woman that he will want forever. Simple, detailed texts can make him love you more than ever before. 7. Although results vary, many women reported having reunited with their lovers or made their partners more affectionate. This only shows how effective text chemistry is in finding and keeping your man, which will in turn make you happy in your relationship. 8. The text chemistry program includes not only the text chemistry ebook, but also bonuses that will help you understand men and eventually win his heart forever. 9. The downloadable ebook format can be viewed in multiple devices. 10. It has a refund policy. You can ask for a refund by sending an email, and you will have your money back, no questions asked. The bad points. 1. Ladies may feel hesitant to try another way after having been exposed to failed texting messages before. But this ebook is worth the try, as it has helped thousands of women. You will be more confident if you are equipped with this knowledge on how to send powerful messages to get your man and make him stay with you. 2. You need internet to purchase this product and initially access it. Should you get it, words are powerful. It can make or break any relationship. That is why the foundation of this ebook is sending a text made up of words that can get a man's attention and will make him fall in love with you. If you want to win the heart of the man of your dreams and want to keep him forever, this ebook is worth the shot. After all, this guide teaches you using research-based triggers that can catch man's attention by infiltrating his psychology, thus creating a text chemistry between you and your partner. Check out Text Chemistry via this link today.